Hi and welcome to your party. I'm Elizabeth Allen Hernandez and I'm here to help you get the most out of your time this week. I thought that it might be a little helpful if I just gave you a quick video rundown on everything. Hold on a second. Sorry, I thought I heard a kid, which speaking of, I am actually a mom to 2 little kiddos and 2 dogs. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Pampered Chef is my main side gig, if you will, next to mom and house manager. And I'm also a digital creator who is a little obsessed with creating videos, if you can't tell. But let's go ahead and get down to business and let me give you that rundown I was just talking about. So first and foremost, this is your party and it cannot function without you. That means that you have to do the inviting and helping your friends feel comfortable in the party. If you were having a party in your own home, would you just let me come into your house and then run and hide in the back? No. As your friends would come in, you would welcome them, you would chat with them. Of course, I'm going to do my job to help everyone have fun too, but you got to show them that you're there and it's your house and your party. So how does that translate to the virtual world? Well, first, you've got to invite like crazy. You never know who's going to buy Pampered Chef. We've been around since 1980, so most people have heard of Pampered Chef, and the good news, everybody eats. My hosts are constantly telling me how surprised they are that so-and-so ordered. So invite. Even if you don't think they want anything, you can always put it out there. They're not going to be offended if you ask, but they will be offended if you leave them out. You can also help your guests feel comfortable by commenting on my posts to help get the conversation started, as well as tagging your friends on posts that you think that they might find interesting. Here's the thing. Your friends don't know who I am yet, and Facebook gives priority to friends' posts, so your friends are more likely to see the things that I'm saying if you're commenting, tagging, interacting on the posts that I'm putting out there. And while we're talking about making your friends feel welcome, you're going to want to try to make personal contact with as many friends as possible 3 times throughout the party. The first time, just to welcome them and be like, hey, I'm having a Pampered Chef party. Second time, to check in and say, hey, are you having fun at my party? And most importantly, the last call messages that I'm going to send you to send out at the very end of the party as we start to wrap up, because most people will procrastinate. And if you haven't already, make sure you go on and access that host dashboard. More information on how to do that is in that host virtual packet that I sent to your email. This is eventually where you're going to go to place your host order at the end of the party, but you'll also get to see who orders so you can thank them and watch your rewards grow. Now, I know it might seem a little early, but you might want to go ahead and be thinking about which of your own friends might want to rack up their own discounts and rewards by booking their own party off of yours. Not only will you get a bonus every time someone books a party, but after you have 3 parties that were booked off of yours and hosted, you get a bonus $50 from Pampered Chef. And if you would like even more rewards and freebies, we can flip this party to your launch party. You would earn host rewards as well as commission, and I would still run the party just the way that I already am. If this is of interest to you, I would love to have you on my Glitterfied team. Let's chat. Make sure you text. Of course, all of my challenges and suggestions over the next week are completely optional. They're just things that I've seen my most successful hosts do to have the biggest rewards. And the best part is, it's a virtual party. You get to tune in when it's most convenient for you, no matter when and where that happens to be throughout the day. I mean, no matter where. Homework time. I want you to go ahead and start your wish list if you haven't already and send me a text telling me which one item you would like to earn for free from your party. And I'll end with this. One tip that I'm constantly getting from my host is to just ask. The answer is always going to be no unless you just ask. So just invite like crazy. If you have any questions at all at any point throughout this party, you know that I'm here for you. Let's get cooking.